Manassas Airport, information to Victor 1255 Zulu, wind 210 at 9er, visibility unrestricted, sky conditions clear, temperature 24, dew point 19er, altimeter 3012. Visual approaches east, landing and departing runway 16 left and 16 right. Read back all, hold short instructions, advise on contact you have information to Victor.
RV12 Kilo, the Cherokee and the Go will all be turning, will also turning westbound, wind 1930, runway 16 left, clear for takeoff.
16 left, clear for takeoff, 12 Kilo.
RV12 Kilo, proceed on course to the west, remain this frequency for now.
Proceed on course to the west, remain this frequency, 12 Kilo.
SFRA Lima, runway 16 left, clear touch and go.
over there.
Clear touch and go, 16 left for 4 lift.
Diamond 205 Bravo Lima, Manassas, sorry, up with me.
We're up, inbound with Victor, requesting a lap in the pattern before a full stop to the west ramp, 5 Bravo Lima.
Diamond 5 Bravo Lima, roger, enter right base, runway 16 left. And RV12 Kilo, you still have the traffic, our warrior just departed. He's at your 11 to 12 o'clock, 2 miles. It appears he's heading southbound at 1,600 indicated.
Traffic inside, 12 Kilo.
RV12 Kilo, contact Potomac departure, just advise them you have traffic in sight. Good day.
Over to Potomac and will advise, 12 Kilo, good day.
04 Victor Alpha, Potomac, go.
Potomac, experimental 5412 Kilo, 1,600 for 2,300 and warrior traffic in sight, 12 Kilo.
5412 Kilo, Potomac approach, Shanghai transponder observed, proceed on course, remain outside, class Bravo.
Proceed on course outside of Bravo, 12 Kilo.
November 104 Victor Alpha, Potomac. November 104 Victor Alpha, Potomac.
Potomac approach, Sky Ventures 123, over the Warrenton area with an SFRA to Manassas.
November 104 Victor Alpha, Potomac approach, how do you hear? And calling for a code into Manassas, say again your call sign.
Is Sky Ventures 123?
Sky Venture 123, Potomac approach, block 4624, remain outside the SFRA.
Potomac approach, Warrior 104 Victor Alpha, off of Manassas, 2,300.
Number 104 Victor Alpha, Potomac approach, transponder observed, proceed on course, remain outside of class Bravo.
On course outside Bravo, 4 Victor Alpha.
Potomac approach, squawking 4624, Sky Ventures 123.
Sky Venture 123, a transponder is observed, proceed on course, remain outside the class Bravo.
Remaining outside Bravo, Sky Ventures 123.
Sky Venture 123, you're familiar with the Warrenton aerobatic box that's active today?
I wasn't aware, but I'll steer clear of it. Sky Ventures 123.
Thanks, it's just ahead to your right, about a mile, just active. They got some parachute jump operations going on there today as well.
We'll look for traffic. Thank you, sir. Sky Ventures 123.
Thanks. Number 5412 Kilo, say request.
We'd like to request KPHL Papa Hotel Lima, Philadelphia at 5,500.
Number 12 Kilo, what was the destination again? And
Papa Hotel Lima.
Number 12 Kilo, roger, have your request. And number 12 Kilo, say your type aircraft.
We are a RV10 Slant Gulf.
2 Kilo, you said 5,500 is the final?
5,500 affirm.
Okay. Number 12 Kilo, reset transponder, squawk 0520.
0520, 12 Kilo.
Number 209, keep that code until you land, contact Manassas Tower 133.1.
Keep the code over Manassas, 133.1 on 41209, thanks.
How you doing back there, Wendy?
Skyvector 123, keep the code until you land, contact Manassas Tower 133.1.
Can you give me your phone? I'll take a selfie of us.
Skyvector 123, thank you, sir.
Number 12 Kilo for flight following, connect Potomac approach 126.65.
2665, 12 Kilo. Potomac, experimental 5412 Kilo, 3,500.
Experimental 5412 Kilo Potomac, ident, Dallas altimeter 3009.
3009, and there's your flash.
Number 5 Charlie Alpha, climb maintain 4,500. And 5 Charlie Alpha, turn 10 degrees to the left. Number 12 Kilo, what altitude are you looking for as a final today?
Final will be 5,500, 12 Kilo.
Number 12 Kilo, roger that, sir. You are radar contact 20 miles southwest at Dallas 3,600 indicated. Cleared into the Bravo airspace. Climb maintain 5,500, turn right, heading 010.
Right, 010, clear to 5,500, and cleared into the Bravo, 12 Kilo.
Love when we're cleared.
Number 12 Kilo, roger that, sir. You are radar contact 20 miles southwest at Dallas 3,600 indicated. Cleared into the Bravo airspace. Climb maintain 5,500, turn right, heading 010. Number 5 Charlie Alpha, climb and maintain 9,500. That's perfect, thank you. Yeah, traffic's just off to your right, 1 o'clock, 4 miles. Descending out of 5,000, they're going to be turning right for a base into Dulles. As soon as you're above them, I'll get you on course to Woolley. Number 5, Charlie Alpha, traffic's no factor, turn right direct to Woolley. Oh, actually, I see there, yeah. 5 Charlie Alpha, you can actually just proceed direct to your destination.
So have you just not ever really flown over this area then, because you've never cleared to be here?
Yeah.
Oh. Wendy, that's Dulles out there.
Malibu, 121 Romeo Foxtrot, departure, ident, altimeter 3010. Number 1 Romeo Foxtrot, radar contact a mile south of Leesburg, altitude indicates 1,300. Climb and maintain 4,000.
Crazy, that's Dulles right there.
4722, so departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 1,000. Number 1 Romeo Foxtrot, turn right, heading, actually just landing 300. 4722, turn right, heading 350, vector for your climb.
Hey, good morning, Potomac, Sirius 3, Whiskey Sierra, level 3000, Quebec.
Number 333, Whiskey Sierra, Potomac, welcome, altimeter 3010. Expect runway 19 right.
9 right, 3 Whiskey Sierra.
Number 1 Romeo Foxtrot, turn right, heading 010.
Airport 32 out Kilo, Potomac departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 7,000. Order 722, climb maintain 11,000, connect Potomac 133.85. Number 1 Romeo Foxtrot, climb and maintain 7,000. 1 Romeo Foxtrot, thanks, I have your request, I'll get you there in just a sec. Number 2 out Kilo, turn right, 360, climb and maintain 10,000. I'm Charlie Alpha 125.52. Thanks. Number 1 Romeo Foxtrot, turn right, heading at 030.
November 12 Kilo, turn right direct to Medina, Mike X-Ray Echo.
Mike X-Ray Echo 12 Kilo. Wow.
They're cutting us right through.
I don't know, yeah, I don't even know what's going on.
I know. Wow.
Never happens.
I mean, he told us to go here.
Yeah.
He said they look nice.
Number 3 Whiskey Sierra, turn right heading 050.
0503 Whiskey Sierra.
November 1 Romeo Foxtrot, climb and maintain 9,000, turn right direct Woolley. Number 2 Alpha Kilo, turn right direct Rapids, join the Woolley departure. 1 Romeo Fox, say again please. 1 Romeo Foxtrot, right turn to 080, direct Woolley. Woolley is spelled Whiskey, Oscar, Oscar, Lima, Yankee. Number 3 Whiskey Sierra, maintain VFR out of below 2,600.
2,600, 3 Whiskey Sierra.
72647, towing approach, ident, also 203,009er. 3 Whiskey Sierra, turn right, heading 090.
Say again.
3 Whiskey Sierra, turn right, heading 080. Remember 3 Whiskey Sierra, turn right, heading 080.
3 Whiskey Sierra, heading 080.
3 Whiskey Sierra, contact towing approach 125.8.
125.8, 3 Whiskey Sierra.
647 radar contact, a mile to the west of Leesburg at a 2,000. Climb and maintain 3,000. November 2 Alpha Kilo, contact Potomac approach 125.52. November 1 Romeo Foxtrot, just contact Potomac 125.52 and make your request done, please. Go. November 647, turn left heading 270. November 647, climb and maintain 4,000. November 551 Alpha Tango Potomac, you up?
Departure Copa 357, good morning, climb 1,000 to 3,000, heading 290.
November 551 Alpha Tango Potomac, out of here. Copa 357 Potomac departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 7,000.
To 7,000, Copa 357.
November 12 Kilo, contact Potomac approach 125.52.
2552, 12 Kilo.
November 7 Juliet Tango, turn left direct to Numby, when able, maintain 4,000.
Alright, direct Numby, when able, maintain 4,000. That's Joe Tango.
November 2 Alpha Kilo, contact New York Center now, 134.5, good day.
New York on 134.5, 12 Kilo, good day.
And 3 Sierra Lima Max, so you can go right direct to Graco and join Victor 93 there.
Right direct to Graco, Victor 93, 53 Sierra Lima.
November 12 Kilo, contact Philadelphia approach 124.35, 2435, good day.
2435, good day. Philadelphia approach, experimental 5412 Kilo with Lima, 5,500.
5412 Kilo, Philly, you are cleared into the class Bravo and expect runway 35.
Cleared into the Bravo and expect 35, 12 Kilo. This is like the easiest thing ever today.
Come on in.
Number 12 Kilo, you turn right heading 110. That'll be vectors for 35.
Right, 110, 12 Kilo.
Sierra, New York approach 2855. See it.
2855, 123 Sierra, good day.
3018 Quebec, reset the transponder, squawk 7141. Skyhawk 1318 Quebec, reset your transponder, squawk 7141.
Squawking 7141, identing now.
Thank you. Number 5412 Kilo, contact approach on 128.4. You beat that.
128.4, 12 Kilo, good day. Philadelphia, experimental 5412 Kilo, 5,500.
Number 5412 Kilo, Philly approach, Philly altimeter 3012.
3012, 12 Kilo.
Thanks, and Atlantic Philadelphia 35 today.
Philadelphia 35, affirmative, 12 Kilo.
Okay, roger that. Just present heading for now.
Present heading, 110.
Blue Street 5620, reduce speed to 210. Blue Street 5620 on speed, descend and maintain 4000. Extra 356, close visual approach, runway 35. Blue Street 5620, reduce speed to 170.
Flight Sport 102 Echo Victor, request clearance to the Bravo at 5,500.
Flight Sport 102 Echo Victor, Philly approach to altimeter 3011, clear to Bravo airspace, maintain 5,500.
Victor Bravo, 5,500, 102 Echo Victor, thank you.
What's your destination, sir?
We're going to Ocean City, New Jersey, 26 November.
Frontier 1172, Philly approach to altimeter 3011, RNAV runway 27 right approach, by your present heading, descend and maintain 8,000. And Blue Street 5620, are you joining? Exo Jeff 356, contact Philly Tower 118.5. Blue Street 5620, just turn left at heading 310, join the following approach course. Blue Street 5620, close visual approach, runway 35. Special aircraft commission for power jump activity across keys, habitable 13,500. Blue Street 5620, contact Philadelphia Tower 118.5. Frontier 1172, descend and maintain 6,000.
Go pull up Philadelphia, location Sport Flight, and zoom in all the way so you get a taxi map.
Say that again?
Zoom in all the way so you can get a taxi map.
Okay. That's when you will?
Yeah, so you're going to be landing 3-5, and we're going right into there.
Okay.
So he'll probably have us get off Delta Alpha.
Okay. I'll keep this up.
Yep. Alright, descent checklist. Altimeter set, brakes are good. Mixture will come in a bit, prop will come in.
Guard 995 Kilo, contact Philly approach 123.8.
Thanks on fullest.
RV10 Kilo, descend and maintain 3,500.
3,500, 12 Kilo. Alright, mixture's coming in. Prop's coming a little bit forward. Power's gonna come back a little bit.
Philly approach, good morning, American 375 Heavy out of 10,000 across 10 South at Jim's at 9,000. We have Lima parking Alpha 23.
American 375 Heavy, Philly approach, Philly altimeter 3012. It is Lima, runway 27 right to me, RNAV approach today.
Roger.
November 4 Kilo Mike, contact Philadelphia, or rather Atlantic City approach 124.6.
Overall
Atlantic City, 124.6, 784 kilo Mike. Have a good day. Thanks.
American 375, reset transponders walk 2371.
2371 coming down, American 375.
So everything we did today is more or less how you would be in IFR.
Frontier 1172, turn left heading 360, and descend to maintain 4000.
Yeah.
So they're vectoring us, like this is more or less like we'd be in the clouds right now, it'd be the same thing.
Pretty nice.
Freefall 1, roger. Potential aircraft power jumping activity continuing over across Keys Airport, level 13,500. Frontier 1172, Philly.
Frontier 1172, 4000, 360 on heading.
Frontier 1172, Philly approach, Philly altimeter 3012, descend and maintain 2100.
3012, descend and maintain 2100, Frontier 1172.
12 kilo, contact Philly approach on 133.87. Or 5412 kilo, Philly.
5412 kilo.
5412 kilo, contact Philly 133.87.
3387 for 12 kilo. Philly experimental 5412 kilo, 3,800 for 3,500.
American 375 Heavy, Philly.
Philly approach, experimental 5412 kilo.
Experimental 5412 Kilo, Philadelphia approach. Roger, are you just checking on this frequency?
Yeah, we just got handed over.
Star 12 Kilo, fly heading 090 for 35.
090 for 35, 12 kilo.
Philly Freefall 1, jumping away.
Central aircraft in the vicinity of Cross Keys Airport, parachute jumping from 13,500 in progress.
Philly approach, good morning, Freefall 2, 1,600, climbing 13.5.
Freefall 2, Philadelphia approach, right down.
Freefall 2 with the flash.
Freefall 2, your radar contact is south of Cross Keys, Philly altimeter 3012.
3012 radar contact, Freefall 2.
Tower 12 Kilo, V4 descent to your discretion, advise when you have the airport in sight.
Descend our discretion, we will advise 12 kilo. Philly approach, experimental 5412 kilo, field inside.
I get a picture, Philly.
12 Kilo, turn left heading of 030.
030, 12 Kilo.
Oh, hard to see.
Free fall 2, just maintain 5,000 for now. There's traffic at your 2 o'clock, 5 miles northbound, 7,000 is a heavy 787 going to Philly.
Traffic in sight will maintain 5,000, free fall 2.
Caution, wait, Charlie, free fall 2.
Roger that.
Free fall 1, advise all jumpers below 4.
Stand by, free fall 1. Free fall 1, jumpers below 4.
Free fall 1, thank you. Radar service terminated. Change to advisory frequency approved.
Free fall 1, we'll talk to you in a bit.
Free fall 2, advise 2 minutes right to jumpers. You jumping from 13.5.
Wilco, affirmative, free fall 2.
Number 12 Kilo, proceed direct to runway 35. Do you have it in sight now?
Field in sight, and we do have direct to the numbers 12 Kilo.
Number 12 Kilo, contact tower on 118.5.
1185, 12 Kilo.
Breakout 4648, runway 27 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 27 left, Brickyard 4648.
Piedmont 6187, amendment to the sequence. You're going to follow opposite direction 321 now, please, 321.
Alright, we're following the opposite 321 for Piedmont 6187.
Endeavor 5387, contact departure, good day.
Departure, Endeavor 5387.
Philly Tower, experimental 5412 Kilo, visual for 35.
Experimental 5412 Kilo, Philly Tower, winds are 23010, runway 35, clear to land.
35, clear to land, 12 Kilo.
Breakout 4648, turn left heading 230, runway 27 left, clear for takeoff.
Left turn 230, clear takeoff 27 left, Brickyard 4648.
Bearing 2214, runway 27 left, line up and wait.
27 left, line up and wait, bearing 2214.
American 1850 Philly Tower, pull up 2 and hold short, next.
2 and hold short, American 1850.
Breakout 4710 on the 245, heading contact departure.
245, over to departure, you have a great day, breakout 4710.
Bearing 2214, turn left heading 245, runway 27 left, clear for takeoff.
Alright, yeah, Center Care
245 and runway 27 left, clear for takeoff, bearing 2214.
down to 95 knots.
American 1850 Philly Tower, runway 27 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 27 left, American 1850.
Frontier Flight 1172, taxi Kilo 3, spot 9er, contact ramp.
Kilo 3, spot 9, over to ramp, Frontier 1172, you'll take care.
Breakout 4648 on the 230, heading contact departure.
Good day, breakout 4648.
Potential aircraft arrival latest information, Mike is current departure latest information, Zulu altimeter 3011. American 1850, turn left heading 230, runway 27 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 27 left, 230 left turn on the heading, American 1850.
Piedmont 6187, Philly Tower, runway 27 left, line up and wait.
27 left, line up and wait, Piedmont 6187.
Here comes full flaps. Going to 75.
Bearings 2214, contact departure.
2214, good day.
Minimums. Fields inside. Autopilot coming on.
Piedmont 6187, fly heading 265, runway 27 left, clear for takeoff.
Heading 265, clear for takeoff 27 left, Piedmont 6187.
American 1943 tower, runway 27 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 27 left, American 1943.
American 1850 on the 230 heading, contact departure, good day.
Good day, sir.
American 1943, turn left heading 230, runway 27 left, clear for takeoff.
230, clear for takeoff, 27 left, American 1943.
Experimental 12 kilo, turn right when able, Delta Alpha to Atlantic, this frequency.
Right 1 able, Delta Alpha to FBO, this frequency 12 kilo.
American 2200, Philly Tower, runway 27 left, line up and wait.
27 left, line up, wait, American 2200.
Piedmont 6187 on the 265, heading, contact departure.
Alright, over to departure, Piedmont 6187 2.
Alpha's over there.
Philly Tower, American 375 Heavy, it's inside Jalto.
American 375 Heavy, Philly Tower, winds are 240 at 9, runway 27 right, clear to land.
Third line, 27 right, American 375 Heavy.
American 47, you're going to follow opposite direction 145 for sequencing purposes.
47, copy.
American 2200, turn left heading 245, runway 27 left, clear for takeoff.
Heading 245, clear for takeoff 27 left, American 2200.
Piedmont 5966, Philly Tower, you're next, runway 27 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 27 left, Piedmont 5966.
American 1943 on the 230 heading, contact departure.
1943, see you.
Piedmont 5966, turn left heading 230, runway 27 left, clear for takeoff.
Left heading 230, clear for takeoff 27 left, Piedmont 5966.
American 487 tower, runway 27 left, line up and wait.
Right. 27 left, line up, wait, American 47, no, keep going.
American 2200 on the 245 heading, contact departure.
Good day, American 2200.